Welcome to Membership Websites. Today we're going to have a look at how to customize the sign-up form. So just to show you where the sign-up form is, if we go into Members Get Listed Today, it will take us to the Join page for the website. We can see we've got some plans down here. If we just go into the free plan, we'll be able to see the sign-up form for our free members. And we can see that it's asking for an email and confirmation, and the same with password and confirmation. But what if we want to collect a bit more information on this form? By collecting a bit more information on the form, we will reduce or help reduce spam signups, because the more information that you're collecting on the sign-up form, therefore the longer it takes to input that information, the less likely that people are just going to sign up just for the sake of it. So in order to customize this form slightly, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the admin section. We're going to go to Toolbox, Form Manager. We're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the free sign-up form, which is just here. Clicking on Actions, Customize, and it will load up the form. So the first thing we need to do is we need to name the form. So to name the form, we just need to make a slight edit to the form so that we can name it. So I've just dropped a couple of letters in there. I'm just going to save that, and by doing that, a form edit form settings button will open up here. We're going to go into edit form settings, and we're just going to rename the form. If we've got multiple sign-up forms, it's maybe ideal that we have different names for each form. So member sign-up free, and I'm just going to put custom. And we'll save changes. That will close the box and take us back to the form, just like so. I'm going to take them two F's out there that I've just put in there now. So when you go into customize your form, in order to get this edit form settings box to appear, you need to actually make a change to the form, which is why I dropped a couple of letters in here and just saved it just so that that button would appear, so that I could change the name of the form to Members Sign Up Free Custom. So here's the form preview just on the right hand side of the screen. And what I want to do is I want to add some fields to that. So if I click on add fields, text single line, which is what I'm after, and the field label, we're just going to put first name. And we can see the first name variable has appeared automatically as we've typed in the field label. That's the correct variable that I want to show on the contact details form within the membership itself. So I want to make sure that that information, that first name, is going to transfer over to the contact details form, which is one of the 4 or 5 forms that are available to complete within the actual members admin section. I'm also going to add another field, and I'm going to put in that last name. And again, that's the correct variable that I want for that. I'm going to make these mandatory. There's no point in adding or collecting additional information to reduce spam if you're going to make it optional, because they'll just miss some bits out. So I'm going to save that. And then if we go back to this form and refresh it, hopefully, there we go. So we've got first, last name, enter email address, create password, create my profile. Okay, so just to show you what I mean by the variables and these bits being carried over within the account, I'm just going to complete the form and create an account. So Mark Smith, so we're going to do Mark Smith at yahoo.com, and then we're just going to repeat that here, and we're just going to put in password 1, password 1. Scroll down further, I'm not a robot, Might ask me to verify that it hasn't. Create my account. Click continue. Now, because I've placed the variables on the contact form, when you go into the actual listing within the account and click on basic information, what we're hoping is the first name and last name has transferred over, which they have done. So that's why it's important just to make sure the variables are the same. Now you can request any of this information on the sign up form. And what you can do is if you go into membership, if you go into the admin section and go into form manager, you can then look for contact details. So contact details here for member. And if we just open that form up, we're not going to customize it. We can see that within the contact details, there are variables listed. And these are the variables that you want to make sure match your sign up form if you are collecting information from this section on your sign up form. So you can see we put in first name and last name, and the variable first name and last name also was put into the form, which is how we've managed to transfer them names over to the member's account for them. So you could collect stuff like phone number, company name, position. You could go as far as asking them to write a short description and that, but I think the first name, surname, and maybe contact number would probably be the best place to start. So I hope that helps in understanding how to customize a form. Thank you very much for watching.